let's print on Siser's Easy Color DTV. So when you guys get this, one side's going to be a pretty bright white. That is the side we are going to print on. The other side kind of has like a gray. You can't see it here, but it's a little bit dark. Struggle with picking sizing for like your sticker sheets or even for this DTV stuff. Grab a shape from your shapes panel. So grab the square, and then we already know that our paper is going to be 8.4 for the width, and then we want 11 inches for the height. And then you can bring this to the front. You can size your design onto that shape to know how big you can make it. And then once you get it sized, take the shape and delete it. Okay, I have two more tips for you guys before we print. So if you're not sure what side to load your DTV in, take a regular sheet of paper and mark an X on one side and then print something so that you know which way to load this in, because we're only printing on the white side of this. My second tip is if your printer struggles to pull the DTV sheet in by itself, take another piece of paper and just tape it at all four corners and feed that through. Sometimes it's a little bit thicker and it's a little bit easier for the printer to grip onto and pull it through. Okay, so on this page, before you send it to print, make sure you toggle off the ad bleed, and then if you want to make it a little bit more vibrant, I would turn the system dialog on, click print. Mine popped up behind Cricut Design Space, so on here, this is for my printer, your printer may not be the same, go to media quality, and then I'm going to check the photo matte paper, and I want best, and then click print. Also, if you don't want all this black ink on your image, make sure you tape it to the other sheet of paper that I showed you guys, that way it won't lift up whenever it's going through the printer and getting ink all over it. You'll want to select the iron on setting and then send it to cut. So for transferring this image, I did lose some of the little star pieces, so if you have really tiny things, just know that they may end up coming off. To transfer this, you have to use an easy mask, and we sell these in 12 by 15 inch pieces, and they are $1.30. So what I do is I trim it to about the size of what my image is, and then you remove the backing piece and place it on top of your image, squeegee the front side, and then flip it over and squeegee the back. Once you've squeegeed both sides, go from the back side and peel it at an angle, and it should release fairly easy. So you want to have your temperature at 310, medium pressure, and we're going to press for 15 seconds and peel while it's hot. And here's how the shirt came out. This is using Siser's Easy Color DTV. It's a printable vinyl that works with inkjet printers, so if you want to try it out, go to 618areavinyl.com and grab some printable HTV.